The next item on our list is a section element. This is just like a div. It's only been renamed so that it makes it easier for you to visualize the hierarchy. But the div and the section, they are both same elements. Next is the site search. So when you add this, what happens is it creates an inline website search, and it is very useful if you are creating a CMS or if you are creating a knowledge base, and it gives you an inline search. So let's say I have two pages on this website. Let's add one more page. I'll add a blank page. I'll just say blank. I'll just say info. And on this page, I will add this. Just add a simple block with a heading and a paragraph. And in this, I will add a keyword. I'll just say my keyword, okay? And and then I will go back and I'll also add a heading under this section. So this will basically add a inbuilt site search. So it will show the link to this paragraph in the drop down. So this is very useful if you want to have a inline site search for your pages.